Barbell bench press. Lie on a flat bench and start by holding the barbell above your chest with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Slowly lower the barbell to the middle of your chest. Press the barbell back up to the same start position until your arms are straight. Repeat. Wide grip pull-up. Grab a pull-up bar with an overhand grip. Pull your body upwards until your chin is just over the bar. Once your lats have completely contracted at the top, lower your body, returning to starting position. Repeat. Barbell back squats. With the barbell across your upper back, set your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart and turned out slightly. Keep your chest up, knees out, and your hips behind you rather than straight down while you sit back. Barbell overhead press. Start by holding a barbell near your upper chest in a slightly wider than shoulder width overhand grip. Press the bar overhead until your arms are extended. Barbell bent leg deadlift. Stand and hold a barbell with both hands in an overhand grip. With your back straight and knees locked, bend your body at your waist and lower down to the floor. Straighten up while still holding the bar at arm's length.